Level 7 in Big Scary Monkey Marathon. It's really fun.
Now, so we're doing Monkey Marathon. Oh, heck. Oh!
We're safe, we're safe.
This is so much fun. Finally just picked up the game rules. But Green getting chased after. Ready? Oh my god. Okay, we're fine. Spam. Speaking spam.
One of them's deactivated.
I can't know how this. How do you deactivate one?
I'm not sure, but one's not working.
I'm gonna poop myself. I'm gonna go with purple. I mean, not purple. Hello. I need one more. I need one more to beat this level.
Adam, let's get a fuse.
I'm only doing Monkey Marathon. He's coming. He's got me iceberg. He's coming.
No, it's not. I can't come in here. Ow.
Run before it gets us.
I can't get in here.
Okay, I got 3 down.
See, look, he's frozen. See? Does that. I'm gonna go talk to him. Let's go say hi. Adam, we gotta go say hi to the new kid.
Yeah, let's say hi.
You go first.
I'm a little scared.
No need to be scared. You go first. I said go first.
It's the new kid and he's frozen. Yeah, he's right.
Sup, new kid? Come get me. Dude, can you stop? New kid! New kid! No! Nathan!
I gotta leave. My food is. I think the new kid really
Let's go!
Owen, I gotta leave. My food's here. I gotta leave.
Yeah!
Amen.
Where'd the others go?
I'll play. Oh, the others just they're at the
Okay.
guards.